Topic 13-2, solving quadratics by factoring again. Remember that we spent all of Unit 12 factoring, and we factored expressions, so now we are setting them equal to, and they're turning into equations, and now we are solving for the variable. So when you are solving for a variable squared, you can have 0 solutions. You can have 1 solution, or you can have 2 solutions. And you will run into all of these, and when we get into graphing quadratics, you'll understand why you could have 0 solutions, 1 solution, and 2 solutions. But for right now, know that that's possible anytime you solve them. The other thing is anytime you're solving for quadratics, set equal to 0. That is the number one thing. So this one is not set equal to 0. We're going to do s squared minus 18s plus 81. We are going to look at, there's a 1, there's a 9, and we are seeing that this is a perfect square, and so this is a perfect square trinomial. And remember that you have the square root here, the square root here, and this is 2ab. So this is s minus 9 squared. So you can write s minus 9 equals 0 and s minus 9 equals 0, but notice that's going to be the same thing. So s equals 9, and that is an example of finding a 1 solution. Remember, set it equal to 0, 16x squared minus 25, no middle term. Pay attention to these are perfect squares. That's a difference of squares, so that is 4x plus 5 and 4x minus 5 equals 0. Then what we are going to do is we are going to do 4x plus 5 equals 0 and 4x minus 5 equals 0. Subtract 5. X equals negative 5 over 4. Add 5. 4x equals 5. X equals 5 over 4. So my solution set is negative 5 over 4 and 5/4. That's my solution set. Set equal to 0. hb squared minus 2b minus 3 equals 0. My favorite way to factor is tic-tac-toe. 8, negative 3, negative 24 has to be negative 2, the sum. 6 and 4, larger has to be negative, so that's a negative 6. That's a 3. That's a 2. That's a 2. There. That's a 2. That's a 1. That's a 4. Two times negative 3, 4. Times 1. Okay, so that becomes 2x plus 1 and 4x minus 3 equals 0 from the factoring because it's here and here. So I have 2x plus 1 equals 0 and 4x minus 3 equals 0. Moving the 1, 2x equals negative 1, x equals negative 1/2. Moving the 3, 4x equals 3. Divide by 3, x equals 3/4. My final answer is the solution set of negative 1/2 or 3/4 because they will both work. That is what you'll do when you are solving quadratics by factoring. Make sure that you set them equal to 0. Make sure you factor them. Understand that they could have 0 solutions, 1 solution, or 2 solutions.